Good afternoon, folks. Mike Wells, Your World Explorer. Hope you're having a good day. I just wanted to show you the progress of our Yardlong beans. They're not crawling very high yet, but you see some flowers there. Let's look down here where we've already had some flowering. Now we have these really super long beans. See that? They grow long. Now, I'm not sure how long this thing is these vines are going to be alive for, because we planted them late last year and they grew, and then it got cold and they got up to about almost the top up there, and then they started dying. So hopefully these things will continue to grow and we get a lot more of these beans, but there's a bunch of them growing. You take a look. Got quite a few right in there. Whole bunch of new ones coming. You see that right there? That's a new one. Bunch of smaller new ones down there. Really cool. Got some more coming out here. There's a bunch. So I should probably pick these, just the few big ones that there are. Anyhow, don't forget to like and subscribe. That helps the channel out a lot. And thanks for watching. Stay tuned, as I'll keep you updated on the progress of these Yardlong beans. Have a good day.